Hello everyone, welcome to iQUANTA. In today's video of B School series, we are going to talk about a relatively new B School, which is none other than the BITS School of Management. In short, it is known as BITSoM. So you must have recognized one word over here, which is BITS. So this BITS School of Management carries the legacy of its another campus called BITS Pilani. Okay, that is the College of Technology. This is the School of Management. So all those students who are going to start their MBA in 2024 and are writing exams like CAT, GMAT, GRE, you guys can keep this college on your list. This is a very good college and has done wonders in a very short period of time. So let's dive deeper into the details of BITSoM. We'll check what the program is all about, what are the placement statistics of BITSoM. Because if you talk about the placements from BITSoM, it has an average package of 23.5 lakhs per annum, which is even better than some of the baby IIMs and some other good B schools in the country, and comparatively in a shorter period of time. So let's go ahead and discuss everything one by one. So the college was founded by Mr. Kumar Mangalam Birla in the year 2021, and he is a very famous personality, the chairman of Aditya Birla Group, an Indian billionaire. And if you talk about the first batch of this college, the strength was 138, and when the placement reports came out in 2023, the average package of the batch was 23.5 lakhs per annum, which is set to increase in the upcoming years. So BITSoM offers a 2-year fully residential MBA program, and the batch of 2024 MBA, it is going to start from the Kalyan campus in Mumbai, which is their new campus. It is a big campus of 60 acres and it has all kind of amenities. There's a wellness center, a learning center, there's a library, and then it also has hostels, playgrounds, etc, etc, everything that a student needs. So talking about the specializations of MBA at BITSoM, in the first year you will be learning general subjects like finance, marketing, HR, operations, investing and all. But when you come to the second year, you have an option to choose from these specializations, which are entrepreneurship and innovation, then finance and investing, e-commerce and digital leadership. You can see that these are all new age programs, not mainstream programs that we find in usual B schools that we have in India. And there's one more thing which is very, very unique in BITSoM. That is a course called WOW, W-A-W, and it is called Winning at the Workplace. This is a course which enhances qualities like critical thinking, leadership, communication, negotiations, qualities which a manager needs. Okay, so this is a course which is additional along with these specializations and is very, very good for all the future managers. Let us look at the MBA batch of 2025, their class profile. If you check the graph over here, we have 45% females in the batch, then we have 47% non-engineers, we have 25% freshers, and this is a total of 154 students. If you combine all these three factors, we can see that there's a great diversity. If you talk about gender diversity, there's a great diversity. Then usually in MBA colleges, you will find that there are a lot of engineers, but here in BITSoM, there are somewhere around 47% non-engineers in the batch. Okay, then we also have 25% freshers. So if you combine all of these factors, we can see a great diversity in the class of 2025, and this basically helps you a lot in peer learning. And since you will find people from all the backgrounds, all the genders, there are freshers as well, then there are people who carry a work ex of 22 months. Okay, this gives you a very new perspective. Okay, so moving on from the class profile of BITSoM, if you look at the placements, you will be surprised to know that its very first batch of MBA bagged a placement record of 23.5 lakhs per annum. So as I said in the beginning, this is even more than some of the IIMs and some of the very good B schools in India. And if you read further, the highest CTC was 44.9 lakhs per annum, the median was 23. So whenever you talk about placements, you should always check the median CTC of a college, okay? Because median tells you that more than half of the batch took such placement, right? So that is also good. Talking about the package of top 10%, it was 35.9 lakhs per annum. So overall, if you look at the placement record, it looks very, very good. Now you must be wondering, how come the very first batch of MBA of a college can get this much package, right? But you will be very happy to know that this placement record was basically audited by B2K Analytics. Okay, this is an auditing agency which does auditing for IIM Ahmedabad, then XLRI Jamshedpur and MDI Gurgaon as well. As you all know, these three are really big colleges, right? And if you talk about the recruiters, PwC visited the campus, there was EY, then Bain & Company, McKinsey. These are very big names, need no introduction. So usually these are the companies that visit IIMs and really big colleges like ISB Hyderabad. But this year they also came to BITSoM and have recruited students from BITSoM as well in 2023. Now talking about the faculties, Most of the faculties who will be teaching at BITSoM will be visiting faculties from world-class business schools like Wharton, Kellogg, then we have University of Texas, University of Washington, and many other B schools. Now talking about the eligibility criteria of BITSoM, you need to be a graduate or in final year of graduation. This is very obvious. Then second, appear for any of these exams, CAT or GMAT or GRE. Score of any of these exams will be accepted. And specifically talking about CAT, the cutoff range at which you can apply to the college and have good chance of being selected would be from 80 to 99 percentile. Okay, so this is a very simple eligibility criteria. Please check if you are eligible or not. So for the final selection at BITSoM, there are a few other factors that matter about CAT, GMAT, GRE score, but other than that, we should also have good past academics. Then your achievements or extracurriculars, all kind of certificates that you have will also matter. A round of rating as well. Then they'll also be counting your work experience or any other kind of internship that you have, and a reference could also be a great way to get selected into BITSoM. So the applications for the MBA 2024 program at BITSoM are open. The link is in the description. If you face any issues there, you can also contact their admission team. They'll help you at the earliest. Apart from that, if you want to get your profile evaluated, there's an option to schedule a one-on-one call with their current students. Okay, they'll be helping you to evaluate your profile. The link for that is also in the description. For all such videos, keep coming to iQUANTA. Thank you for watching.